WPC Floor Production Process. 1. Preparation. Put PVC powder, calcium carbonate powder, and supplementary materials into high-speed mixer for thorough mixing. Raise temperature to 120 degrees Celsius. Expel water and mix well. Then put into cooler, 50 degrees Celsius, to prevent caking and discoloration. 2. WPC foam board extrusion line. Form WPC floor slab with twin screw extruder, setting machine, and traction machine. Make final slab at back end by vertical and horizontal cutting, then deliver to stacking station. Three. Film line. Apply film on big board. 4. Slitting line. After filming, cut WPC board along the slitting line. 5. Groove line. After slitting, cut grooves according to customer requirements. 6. Packaging line. With grooves finished, automatically package and pack the final product.